What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Import Modify. On this episode, we're going to carry on with the SRT4 build, but we got to get the crud off of this engine before we start. And what I'm going to be doing is loading this in the back of my truck because I do not have the utilities here, nor do I have the power washer here. So we're going to take this thing, get it all degreased, power wash it to where I can work on it. We'll be stripping this thing down, and then we'll be painting things and upgrading a few things along the way. And just refreshing, new timing belt, water pump, the whole nine. And at the end, hopefully this thing will pop. And as far as the slew of packages that I was talking about, I did get them in. So let's go ahead and unbox these real quick, and then we'll carry on with the mission. Alright guys, so these are the parts that I unboxed, and I'll go over them briefly and give an estimated value of what I paid, because I can't really remember the exact prices. But I got some head studs right here, and these head studs, they're not ARP brand, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't remember the brand off the top of my head, but they're about half the price. I paid about $75 for them, and they came in just in time because we're about to take this thing apart. And moving on to the clutch, I got an eBay clutch. Now I bought some of these eBay clutch off brands, you know, in the past, and I've had good luck with them, but I went with a Stage 2. This is a grip brand, again, eBay clutch. This right here, I paid about $140 for this. And these radiator hoses right here, they're G+. Now I've had good success with G+ brand stuff in the past. I've used their oil coolers on various setups that I have and had good luck with it. For that reason, I went ahead and bought these, and they are this neon teal looking color. So I'm going to kind of have that little paint scheme going throughout the engine bay, that if I can get engine paint that matches close to that, some accents on the engine that replicate that color, and black with that color I think will pop pretty nice. And I ended up getting me a aluminum radiator because the radiator in that car out there is the OEM one. It just has a Mishimoto fan shroud on it, but the radiator itself is in pretty rough shape. I paid about $130 for this. And for the brakes, I like to freshen up brake pads and rotors on any project vehicles that I do, especially when they've been sitting for a while. So this is a eBay brake rotor and pad kit, and I paid about $130 to $140 for the whole set. That's all four corners. And these things, I've had a lot of luck with this, with these in the past, because they are they have a special coating on them, and it holds up really well over the weather and time and weather abuse that they see. And I have a set on my F-150 that I put many years back, and to this day there's no rust on the hub areas. So for that, I bought those to freshen up the brakes, and I ended up getting me some new headlights. Now, eBay brand stuff again. $120 is about what I paid for this, but I like the blacked out housing, and they're not all fogged up, and I don't have to get the buffing or nothing, and they will look better with the black housing on a black car. So that is pretty much what I got in for now. I do have more parts that are going to be showing up, and when they show up, I'll unbox them for you guys. But we need to get this engine to my house so we can power wash it, degrease it, get it all prepped and ready, so I don't have to get all dirty. right, guys, we got the engine back in the shop, and I got the bulk of the grease off of the engine. Now, as I take the individual pieces apart, and at that time is when I'll be able to clean those in detail with brake cleaner and a wire brush and whatnot, because the surface has got to be nice and clean in order to paint the engine and have the results come out nice. And speaking of paint, I went to the parts store and I found this paint right here, and it's pretty close. I think so, but you know, we'll just have to see whenever I try it out on a little test piece, and hopefully it matches up pretty well. And then we'll have that color there, and then black too. And I'll paint different parts, and just to highlight different accents of the engine, and make it pop a little bit more so it ain't just a boring black. And then after that, you know, we'll just stick this thing all back together, new gaskets, new head studs, and we'll be ready to rip. So let's go ahead, get this thing up in the air and start getting that transmission off. So now we got this thing on a stand, we need to get it stripped down, and then at that point I will clean up a couple items, and then we'll see if that paint I selected does match. And if it's close enough match, we'll go ahead and paint something like the valve cover or whatnot. And then I think that is a good stopping point for this episode. And also, a lot of y'all have been waiting on this too. We'll be giving away 2 t-shirts, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, I'm wearing mine. But first, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So it looks like it has ARP head studs in the engine already, so that is a good thing. I'm gonna stick with the ARP ones, and I'll just save the other ones for the other engine because I do plan on repairing the other one in the other car. All right, so we got it all torn down for the most part. I still have a couple more things left to tear down, and that is the oil pan, the oil pump, water pump, and that bracket. Then I'll be able to clean everything down and start shooting it with paint. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some rod bearings while I'm there having the oil pan off. Just take care of the rod bearings, and that'll be added insurance from whenever I put it back on the road, knowing that the rods are fresh on the bearing side of things. And pretty much we made pretty good progress on this episode, guys. All right, let's see how close it is. That's pretty blue. That is a very pretty blue though. Now this is a Pontiac blue, guys. Pontiac blue. Let's let that dry and then we'll compare it with the hose. It's not perfect, but it is close enough, and I'm gonna use this paint. I really like the color of it. So we got our paint, Pontiac blue. That is the color of that paint. All right, guys, the time has come for us to give away those 2 t-shirts. So let's see who the lucky winners are. I have the app loaded up on the phone. We're gonna go ahead and start. Hashtag free t-shirt. Well, hashtag t-shirt. That was the comment. We're gonna play the raffle. All right, here's everyone's names who had entered that keyword in the comments below, liked the episode, and subscribed. Select all. Oh, 2 winners. All right, let's go ahead and roll. See who the first lucky winner is. DSG, congratulations. You are the first winner. Gustavom 2343, you are the next winner of the last t-shirt to give away for this episode. So 2 free t-shirts given out each episode until I run out, and hopefully that will last us the whole go throughout this build. But if you didn't win, now's the time to go ahead and enter the next keyword in the comments below, and that's hashtag giveaway. Hashtag giveaway in the comments below. Like this episode and subscribe, and that will enter you in for the next chance at owning one of these bad boys here. So congratulations, guys. I hope y'all enjoy these t-shirts. Wear them proud, and just go ahead and drop me a message on my Instagram, and that is Import Modify, and send me your address, and I'll ship these out to you as soon as possible with the tracking number. So all right, guys, on the next episode, we'll be tearing into the short block more, and then hopefully we'll have mostly the long block put back together and a lot of the key items repainted, because I like to have this thing pretty much done for the next episode so we can move on to the other car and just keep the thing, keep things happening and moving, keeping a great pace, and before you know it, we'll have the SRT back on the road. So I'm all done on this episode. Until the next one, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Peace out, guys.